Congratulations on your sale contract! Your realtor will make sure your attorney has the contract for him or her to review. The next step for you to prepare for is the home inspection. It's best to look at preparation for the home inspection in the same way you prepared for showings. You know the drill. Make sure the house has been deep cleaned, including baseboards and windows. Turn all the lights on and make sure there are no burned out bulbs. Mow the lawn, etc. There are a few extra steps you should take to prepare for the home inspection. Make sure doors and windows open and close correctly, especially if you have any that tend to stick. Be sure to clear any obstructions from under the sinks, at your attic access, and around your water heater and furnace, and replace that furnace filter. Make sure your stovetop and oven are clean. The inspector will turn them on to make sure they work, and you don't want smoke to set off the fire alarm. Make sure you leave keys for any areas that require them for entry, such as a detached garage or shed. You should expect the home inspection to take around 3 hours. Please plan to be away from the home during the entire duration, and make sure your pets are away as well. Just as with showings, you want the buyers and home inspector to move freely throughout the house with limited distractions. After the inspection, the buyer's attorney will contact your attorney with any issues that came up during the inspection, and then your realtor will help you negotiate resolutions to these issues. After this has been completed and all parties agree to move forward, the next step is the appraisal. I'll be back then to help you prepare. See you then!